Ruko na leo Mũthende ka kwina undu marenda kwaria na andiki aitu a mohoro.
Ballot paper, it's taken me less than a minute to vote. Yeah, so I believe the exercise is good, and that's why we are saying the people trying to cause chaos are just sure of the outcome as they are. And the outcome is Leo Wamuthende is definitely the winner of this election. They know it, that's why they have been moving around with guns. Like for us, we don't even have security, you can see. There is no point. So when people walk with 20 guns to a polling station, that tells you what they are trying to do. They expected our people to react, they did not react. They have walked away, and we are just telling them to wait, to be embarrassed this evening. Yeah, I can report that we are doing quite well. So we will visit a few polling stations again just to observe. Yeah, so far so good. How did you go for turnout? It looks good because most of the people we walked actually, and most of the people we met along the way have already voted. The crowd here, which was attracted by security, the insecurity that was brought about by the presence of one J.D. Muturi. They came when they thought my win is under threat. They didn't even come, and when they have seen me, they are very happy. Of course, they have been told I'm not a registered voter. My wife is not a registered voter. There are some people at home who have told me we will vote after you vote. So I'm telling the people at home, come out. I have voted. Those were just fallacies by no agenda to sell to Mbeere people, Mbeere North people. So please come out and vote. Umai mukadhurane.
Thank you. Mwanzo kulikuwa na tetesi kwamba kuna baadhi ya maafisa wa chama kiudhina ambao wamekuwa na mavazi ya chama hapa katika nchi yetu. Unachukulia vipi swala hilo?
Sijampata yoyote hapa. Nimeangalia na sijaona yoyote, na nafikiri mtu akifanya makosa anaelezewa na anabadilisha, so sidhani kuna issue yoyote.
Kuna watu kwamba kuna tetesi za watu kuongwa kabla ya
Yes. Hiyo inafanyika na opposition, hiyo nimesema. Kuna mahali wanajaribu kupatia watu 100, 200, na nitaitisha hiyo list, nitawapea nyinyi wenyewe, mtafanya uchunguzi. Sana inafanyika Evurori ward. Lakini wapiga kura wetu walishapiga kura, na wale wengi huko walikuwa wanangoja kuona nimepiga kura, na saa hii washaona nimepiga kura, watajitokeza, washafanya uamuzi. Kwa hivyo nasema tuko sawa. Jioni tutakuwa pamoja na tutasherehekea, kwa sababu tumesema mara mingi sio tu ati leo Wamuthende anachaguliwa. Wananchi wa Mbeere North wanapata kiongozi anayefaa kuwaongoza, kiongozi ambaye anaangalia maslahi ya wananchi, na wananchi wa Mbeere North wanataka uongozi bora na maendeleo. Hiyo tu. Yes.
So what would be your message, because it seems there's a lot of tension and what is that one message to your supporters and residents of Mbeere North?
Yeah, so I want to advise my supporters, stay put. As we have done our campaigns, we've never had a single incident of violence or fracas in our